Ford announced the 2021 Bronco, one thing they were really pushing was how modifiable the vehicle was going to be. There's a lot of options you can get right from the factory, but they built the vehicle to have things added to it. Because again, they're going after the Jeep Wrangler, and the Jeep is one of the most modified vehicles out there, and the Bronco owners are going to do the very same thing. So there's a lot of parts you can get for your Bronco right from Ford. We have right here available at CJ Pony Parts. One of them is the Safari Bar. The Safari Bar is going to be a great way to protect the front of your Bronco, and it's going to be a direct bolt-on if you have the modular front bumper. The Safari Bar is made of cold rolled steel and a bolt directly onto the modular front bumper. Now if you have a Badlands, a Black Diamond, or a First Edition, it comes factory with that bumper, but that bumper is also optional on several different models. It includes necessary hardware to bolt on and is an easy installation that not only looks cool, but protects the front of your Bronco. This Safari Bar and a ton of other accessories and performance parts for your 2021 and 2022 Bronco are available at CJ Pony Parts and CJ Off-Road.